With KPI.com, you can track performance, analyze data, and improve efficiency, all from a single, user-friendly platform. All in the palm of your hand with our mobile application. Account module. Manage your finances effortlessly. Create quotes, invoices, and orders for sales and purchases. Track supplier and customer balances, and keep records of products and assets. Key financial reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and more. Getting started with the account module. Basic settings. The first step is to configure your company's settings under Settings, Company. Here, you can define key details such as the company name, contact information, address, logo, and more. Next, set up your financial settings under Settings, Account, Financial Settings. This section allows you to configure the company's base currency, number formatting, VAT settings, additional financial preferences. If you operate in multiple currencies, go to Settings, Account, Currency Rates to manage them. Click Add, select the required currency, and note that exchange rates update automatically. However, you can also enter them manually if needed. To customize document numbering, navigate to Settings, Account, Numbering Settings. Here you can adjust numbering formats, prefixes, starting numbers, reset rules. For VAT configuration, go to Settings, Account, Tax Rates, where you can add or modify tax rates. Under the Terms section, you can define payment terms and schedules for transactions. Setting up customers, suppliers, and products. Once your basic settings are in place, the next step is to create customers, suppliers, and products. Click Add, fill in the required details, and save. If you set a payment period in the Terms field, all transactions for that customer will follow the specified schedule. If needed, you can customize visible fields via the Customize option. Product setup. Selecting the correct product type is crucial. Once transactions are recorded for a product, changing its type is only possible by deleting related documents. For inventory items, ensure that you configure prices, accounts, stock quantities. Further customization is available based on your specific needs. Working with orders and invoices. The system allows you to create quotes, invoices, and orders separately or convert one type into another. Create a sales quote. Once approved, convert it into a sales order, invoice, or project. The converted document will retain all original details and cannot be modified. If you need to edit the initial document, you must first delete any related converted documents. Generating a goods delivery note. To generate a GDN from a sales order, first, configure pick list settings under Settings, Customization, Item Table, ensuring that column widths total 100%. Go back to the sales order, open the pick list, and specify the quantities to be delivered. After generating the GDN, you can convert it into an invoice. If you convert an invoice before creating a GDN, the system will prevent GDN creation. The shipping button will not be available if the order status is invoiced. Managing suppliers and purchase orders. The same process applies to suppliers and purchase orders. Create a supplier and enter the required details. Generate a purchase order. To create a goods received note, click Receive and specify the received quantities. Click Convert to generate an invoice from the GRN. Invoice Settings. You can manage invoice approval permissions under Settings, Users, and Privileges, Permission. Settings, Automation, Approval Process. Invoice Configuration Options. Found under Settings, Account, Invoice Settings, where you can adjust Default Due Date option, Purchase Invoice and Credit Note Numbering, Progress Invoicing Activation, Sales Quote to Invoice Conversion, Bank Account Information, Invoice PDF Naming, Terms and Payment Instructions, Company PDF Logo. Custom fields and layouts. Add new custom fields or disable unnecessary ones under Settings, Customization, Item Table. Ensure that column widths sum to 100%. New fields will only appear in newly created documents. For existing documents, you must recreate them to apply changes. Most system documents can be exported as PDFs and customized using the Customize button. We offer custom template creation for specific document types upon request. To create a custom template, please provide sample documents and necessary details. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently set up and manage the account module in your system. Sign up now for a free trial on kpi.com. Questions or queries can be sent to email or WhatsApp.